division problem, we always start with compare the first number with divisor. 3 is smaller than 4, so we cannot divide 3 by 4. So we'll think of 32. 32 can be divided by 4 because it's a bigger number, greater than 4. So 4 times 8 is 32. And we'll subtract it, and it is going to be 0. And 2 comes down like this. 2 is smaller than 4, so it cannot be divided by 4. So we'll put 0 up here, and then next number, 0 comes down. 20 is greater than 4, so it can be divided by 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. And then we'll subtract it, and the answer is 805 as a quotient.